CEO, and I am with our new Whole Heart Primary Director, Kelsey Melton. Woohoo! I wanted to ask Kelsey some questions and have her chat to those of you who are new with Whole Heart Primary this year, so that when you are planning your year, talking to your kiddos about it this summer, and then when you come to orientation, you kind of know what you're walking into. Kelsey was a new mama not that long ago. How many years?
Only a year ago.
Yes.
Yes.
So she remembers what it's like to be a new mom on campus and is just going to kind of walk us through, what that feels like. So Kelsey, first of all, tell me maybe either a high or a low or something crazy about your first day at Whole Heart.
So, hello. My first day, it was very much like excitement and like, oh, what is this going to be like? My kid's going to be fine. Because they didn't know each other, didn't know the other kids and worried about them. But they jumped right in, and kids were awesome of just being able to, they jumped right in and made friends. But yeah, it was excitement. And then mom's time immediately was like, here we are. This is where we're supposed to be.
Nice.
This is amazing.
Nice.
So, yeah.
That's amazing. So even though you were walking into a room without a lot of friends yet, you felt comfortable at home.
Comfortable. Everybody coming up and, welcoming and, definitely.
So how will moms know where to take their children, and where do they go when they walk in the doors the first morning of Whole Heart, that first Tuesday? Where does mom go? Where do the kids go?
So we all go, the very first day, we're all going to go to chapel. And so, which orientation night, we'll make sure you know where all the rooms are and where chapel is. But you and your kiddos will head over to chapel and sit down. At 9 o'clock we start our chapel, and so yeah.
Ooh, that's a great point. So 9 o'clock is when chapel starts. When should people really park their cars? In the parking lot?
In the parking lot. I recommend about 10 minutes. I kind of recommend about 10 minutes coming in because kids inevitably want to say hello to their friends and talk to each other. It's just getting everybody settled into chapel. 10 minutes, I feel like, is a good amount of time to be able to get settled into chapel.
That's perfect. And sometimes there are things to do in the foyer or in the mom's room, right? Like what kind of stuff would we normally do? Pizza is one.
Pizza is one, getting set up for pizza, making sure you sign up and give your money for your pizza for lunchtime. So we have a pizza that we have delivered to the school, and so we pay up front beforehand and make sure we have the right amount of pizza before we order it and everything. So yeah, you do that. If you have mom snack, just go ahead and put it on the table before you head into chapel. And
oh yes, we should mention that.
Mom snack, yes. So with COVID, it might be a little different.
Shh. We cannot disrupt the delicious mom snack.
Delicious mom snack.
I know. I have always taught, the last couple years, and sometimes I sneak down and grab a little plate because the snacks are so good. So new families, y'all, the moms take turns bringing a breakfast item, and that way you might shove a granola bar down your child's throat on the way to tutorial, but mom can still have a cup of coffee and quiche or whatever the moms bring that week. When you sit down, we feed your soul and we feed your tummy.
Because I inevitably got my kids some type of food in general, but I never ate myself, and so I was famished by the time I got to chapel. So definitely having that mom snack is so important.
And it's such a sweet, fellowshipping over food is just always so rich.
Oh yeah.
I guess we'll have to keep you guys posted on that, though, in light of COVID. So you might have to ignore everything we just said.
Might have to nix that, but
oh my word,
I hope so.
Yeah.
We have some good cooks.
Hope we still get to do it. Okay, so we have chapel time. What else? So orientation night. Tell us a little bit about orientation night. Who comes and what does it look like?
So we have on orientation night, we have just the adults, so no kiddos come, and we make sure basically just an overall of what we do, how this is going to work, and your classrooms, your where your kiddos are going to go. I'm going to make sure where your kids go and what rooms they go in, and just making sure that exactly how whole heart works.
Perfect.
And so your first day, you're not trying to figure it out all
Yes.
everything. So I'll make sure that you know where your kids are and what they're supposed to be doing and all that.
Perfect.
Yep.
So we'll hand out schedules, a copy of the
Yes.
schedules, everything, because it's probably been a few weeks since everybody signed up.
Yep.
And you might have forgotten what classes you signed your kid up for.
Yep.
And then we'll have that posted the morning of.
Yep.
And after chapel, we'll also have all that information. So we
Yes.
try to keep it really clear.
And I'll make sure you know day of as well. So it's not like on orientation that you'll be, you know, like you should know. But day of, I'll make sure that everybody
Awesome.
knows where they're going.
And just for clarification, is orientation optional, Director Kelsey?
No, it is not optional. No, we need you guys there. So it is not optional. It is definitely, it's a good thing too. It's not just like, you know.
Is it only
business.
mandatory for new moms, or is it required for all families?
It's required for all families, everyone, even if this is something you know how it's going to go. We want everyone there. We need everyone there. So it is not optional.
Yeah, and you can link arms with another mama who might be confused.
Yes, very much so. I had at least 2 mamas do that with me my first day.
Aw.
And so it was definitely, we'll come and link arms with you. We'll make sure, you know, you're not by yourself. So you will have somebody there with you. Do not worry. You will not be by yourself.
I love it. I love it. Okay, any other thoughts from a new mom perspective?
New mom, I'm trying to think of what exactly, new mom. Just know that not only your kids will be taken care of, but you will. Don't worry about that. Like, this is important. Community, especially right now, it's just so good. And so, yeah, as a new mom, we'll make sure that you are taken care of, your kids are taken care of, and everyone's safe, and everyone's, you know,
Love it.
you're good.
Yes. Thank you, Kelsey.
Yay.
And we'll see you guys all on campus in a few
Yes.
weeks.